Eto na guys, my goal in 2023 on my YouTube channel. Start na tayo ngayon guys. Una guys, ito guys, tong notebook na ito guys. Ginawa ko talaga ito guys nung last year pa guys. Syempre guys. Dahil nakasulat dito guys for sa YouTube guys. Alam niyo yan guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, pagbungad na pagbungad nitong ano guys, ayan guys yung nakalagay guys, my online world. Dito nakalagay guys yung kaganapan ko sa YouTube guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, may mga ano dito guys, etc etc guys. Ayan. And then unang page yun guys, pangalawang page ay ito guys, ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo sa screen guys. Ayan guys, yung mga na-upload natin guys last year guys, whole last year guys. Ayan, we have 20 uploads guys. Ayan, sobrang dami na upload natin guys, pero pinapangako po sa inyo guys na this year guys ay mas marami pang ma-upload natin ngayon guys na video ngayon guys. Ayan, we have 20 uploads in the last year guys, in the whole year of 2022. Yung pinakauna kong ma-upload guys is yung daily routine after taking a bath. This video was uploaded on March 15, 2022. Ayan, 2022 guys, last year guys. Yun yung pinakauna kong na-upload guys. And yung pinakalas na na-upload ko guys is yung nanguha ko ng pili guys. Sana napanood nyo na. Ilalagay ko po yung link sa description below guys. Itong nanguha ko ng pili na upload po ito ng December 31, 2022 po guys. So ito guys, ito yung pangalawang page. Ito yung pangatlong page guys. Ayan guys, subscribers and total count, views count, monthly, basta guys, etc etc. Hindi ko na siya guys nalagyan guys kasi guys nakakalimutan nga guys. Ayan guys, ayan, ada video up. Ayan guys, video uploaded man, subscribers, total views, video uploaded. We have 20 uploads guys. Ayan guys, paulit-ulit guys. And ito yung pang-apat na page guys. Ito guys, nakalagay dito guys is, ayan guys, about section guys, kung ano yan nung na-improve sa YouTube channel ko guys. Ayan guys, nakalagay dito guys. Chinechekan ko siya guys. Ayan, halimbawa guys, profile and cover photo, check na yun, meron na tayo nun. Description, meron na tayo. Links, country, verified logo. Ayun guys, dito nakalagay guys lahat guys. Ayan. And yung panglimang page ay ito guys. Ito guys, YouTube salary plan. Pinaka-special talaga ito guys kasi YouTube salary plan ito guys. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo guys kasi guys, ilang subscriber pa lang tayo guys. Sana naman mag-subscribe kayo guys dahil sabi sa analytics ko guys, maraming nanonood sa akin guys na hindi nagsusubscribe guys. Kaya subscribe nyo naman guys para guys ma-reach na natin yung 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Ito yung pang-anim na page, wala pa. Ito na guys, ito na guys. Lagi ko itong tinitingnan guys kapag naboboring ako guys. Ayan guys, ito lahat guys, kaganapan to guys. Mga event to guys sa YouTube channel ko guys. Andito lahat guys. Mga videos kung anong ginagawa ko sa mga videos ko. Andito lahat, nakadetaily guys. Parang thesis ko ito guys, itong event guys. Para siyang video, yung content guys, ginawan ko siya ng thesis statement. Alam niyo yan guys, kung nagdaan na kayo ng senior high, alam niyo yung thesis statement. Yan yung pinaka, dun mo isasalaysay sa thesis statement, di ba guys, yung kabuuan kung anong content yun guys. Dun talaga matutumbok sa thesis statement. Dito siya guys, ayan. Halimbawa guys, halimbawa ito, not telling to the owner. Di ba guys, sana napanood niyo, ilagay ko po yung thumbnail dito guys sa screen guys. Ayan. Halimbawa guys, contents, not telling to the owner. Event, na-prank ko ang mga viewers ko. Ayun, kung nakita nyo yung na-prank ko kayo, diba? Ayun, dito nakalagay guys. Ayan, I took cotton fruit plus mukbang. Nanguha ko ng santol tapos nagmukbang. Yun yung event. And shooting dates, kung anong date ko is-shoot. And editing dates, kung ilang days ko in-edit. Andito lahat guys, ayan. Sobrang dami guys, ayan. Pero mo 20 upload, ayan, sobrang dami. And ayun guys. At ayun guys, ayun na guys, ang itong kabuuan guys, wala pa masyado guys kasi guys, 20 upload pa lang tayo guys. Kaya guys, ngayon 2023, sana mas more than 20 pa ang ating ma-upload guys. Ito na guys, yung pinaka-inaabangan nyo guys. Itong YouTube goal ko ngayong 2023 guys. Ayan guys. I-share ko na sa inyo guys yung goal ko ngayong 2023 guys. Eto na guys. My goal in 2023 on my YouTube channel. Ayan guys. Unang-una, to be monetized, reach 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. Sana matupad natin yun ngayong 2023. Yun yung una. Pangalawa, upload at least 50 plus videos. Yun yung pangalawa guys. And pangatlo naman, upload at least 100 plus YouTube shorts. Ayan guys, nakita nyo naman guys, may YouTube shorts ako guys. Sana guys, panoorin nyo po yan guys. Ayan guys, asa na ba yun? Ayan. Upload at least 100 plus YouTube shorts. Yun yung pangatlo. And yung pang-apat, reach at least 1K plus subscribers. Ayun na nga yun. To be monetized, reach 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. And yung pang-lima guys is reach at least 10K total views. 10K total views in the whole year of 2023. Ayun, sana makuha natin yun guys. At doon ko lang tinatapos ang ating